Hi guys, it's Mrs. Williams and we're here ready to do mastery test number 3. You're going to do this one after lesson 20. And I'm going to I'm going to go through it and then explain and show you how to do this with your child because it can be a little confusing. So number 1, if you look at number 1 over here, and we're also going to email this out so you can print out a copy, but it really helps because the blue again is what you're going to say that as the parent. And then your child will be responding back from that. So anyways, so the first thing you say is let's play the hard say it fast. When it's your turn, you'll say a word just like this, and you're going to model it for them. Mat. So if you read here, it says as you sound out the word, you will hold up your first finger for 3 seconds while saying the sound. So that's this. And then your next finger will pop up quickly when saying at, then you bring both fingers down. What is really important is when you do this is that you do not stop between the sounds. Because if you model that for your child is going to stop between the sounds, and then that's a problem. So watch me again. You're going to say this. When it's your turn, you'll say a word just like this. Mat. So I held this finger up, and then I said my and then I didn't stop between the sounds. I popped that one up, I said at, and then I brought them down very quickly. And you're going to go through that 2 times. You're going to model it for your child twice. So listen. When it's your turn, you'll say a word just like this. Mat. Listen again. When it's your turn, you'll say a word just like this. Mat. And then you're going to have them do it for you. This time, you're going to hold up the fingers. They need to hold the sound. So the first sound will be the And then when you pop up the second finger, it's their cue to say the at. So this time, you're going to say, your turn. Say it slowly, just like I did. Get ready. This time, you're not saying anything. You're just going to hold up your finger while they say it back to you. So it'll be like this. Your turn. Say it slowly, just like I did. Get ready. And then they should have said it in that time. Now, if you feel like it's better if they say it maybe a couple of times like that before you move on to the next part, that's totally fine. And then the last thing you'll do, if they get that right, is you're going to say, okay, time to say it fast. And then you just kind of flick your finger like that. And then they should say mat. They're going to blend it all together really fast. Let's go through the next one. I'm going to say it and I'm not going to explain it as I go along. Just so that you have a clear understanding without all the explanation. So then when we go to number 2, I'll say, here's a new word. Listen, when it's your turn, you'll say a word just like this. Fun. Okay, listen again. When it's your turn, you'll say a word just like this. Fun. Your turn, say it slowly just like I did. Get ready. Great job. Okay, time to say it fast. Yes, fun. So that's basically what it'll look like. For the last one, in the directions here, when I retyped these just to try to make it less confusing, this Y has a hat on it. So it actually is pronounced as I, as you could probably tell by the word, but just to point that out, I don't know how to put a hat on a letter as I'm typing. So here's the next one. Then you'll say, here's a new word. Listen, when it's your turn, you'll say a word just like this. My. Again, when it's your turn, you'll say a word just like this. My. Your turn, say it slowly just like I did. Get ready. Nice job. Time to say it fast. Good job saying my. And then you're done. So if you guys can record that for us so that we can see your kids going through that process, that would be awesome. Good luck.